Trade what you see, not what you think.
Trade the markets, not the forecast. बेटा जब तक शेड को जरूरत है ना, सिर की तरह ताज की तरह रखेगा. जब जरूरत नहीं होगी ना, फेंक देगा उतार के, पता भी नहीं पड़ेगा. Anything easier than making money? Yes, losing. ये धंधा अच्छा है stock market. See, in the stock market, first you have to survive. You can survive, you can trade tomorrow. If you don't survive today, you can't trade tomorrow. Hope life में काम करता है, लेकिन stock market में hope काम नहीं करता. Compassion होना चाहिए, प्यार होना चाहिए, मोहब्बत होनी चाहिए, इश्क होना चाहिए. I remember it's one line he said, नीच नौकरी उच्च व्यापार.
There's this term called operators. In today's episode, we are joined by one of India's most respected market veterans, Mr. Prakash Gaba, a certified financial technician, SEBI registered research analyst, trading mentor, and one of India's most respected voices in technical analysis. From being a senior corporate manager in the late 70s to becoming an aviator, marksman, scuba diver, sailor, windsurfer, skydiver, and among the pioneers of hang gliding in India. A winner of the Viewer's Choice Best Technical Analyst Award, honoured by the Honourable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi.
Idiot Prakash Gaba. मैंने तो खाली फोन किया था, मैंने पैसा कहाँ दिया था उसको?
It's like that, they say if you're smartest in the room, you need to change the room.
He wanted to teach me a lesson.
How?
One day he went and bought Reliance there. Again I got a call. Lambu ne Reliance liya hai.
You follow.
Very quantity same Reliance. Lambu went to the next room and sold Reliance. Double the quantity.
God, this is hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing. Okay, give me your best trade.
I shot it. It went up. वो नीचे आएगा. इसका बाप भी नीचे आएगा.
What?
Yes.
And a familiar face on India's leading business channels for over 2 decades. Currently, he appears on CNBC TV 18 and CNBC Awaz business channel. Mr. Gaba believes trading is only about making money, nothing else. This is more than a finance podcast. It is a masterclass on markets, money, and the mindset required not just to survive markets, but to master yourself. Please welcome Mr. Prakash Gaba.
किसी और के लिए 100 कमा सकता हूँ तो खुद के लिए 10 तो कमा सकता हूँ. We are here only to make money, nothing else. Markets will do what it wants to do. A 400 crore scam in my name.
That's quite a news.
तो उससे सीखो जो उस जर्नी को पार कर चुका है. उस endured the journey.
Somebody like you.
Now 7.5 crore rupees he lost his family's money in 1 week. Young boy. Stupidity.
Algo trading.
Algo trading.
The AI in finance.
कुछ होते हैं quant traders जो black box होते हैं.
What's the future of crypto?
I'm still a small boy sitting in the gachi. Start, learn. And then she told me that if you don't help me, I will commit suicide.
Hello, sir. Welcome to our studio.
Shukriya. Thank you very much. Thanks for inviting me. Good.
I'm personally very excited to know and get enlightened with all your wisdom and experience for so many years. I think you're a legend in the field of finance. So let me start with your famous quote, which says, trade what you see, but what you think, not what you think.
Trade the markets, not the forecast.
Yes. So let's start with that. Why do you say that?
See, when we trade markets, we always feel that we must have a view on the market. And when you have a view in the market, if you think that market will go up because of whatever reasons, A, B, C or D reason, then you tend to trade long. That means buy first and then sell. You make money. We are here only to make money, nothing else. We're not here for anything else, just to make money. And if your view is down, that's going to, you feel that for some reasons it's going to go down. Then you sell first and then you buy back. But that's our view. My view is worthless, useless, absolutely has no value for it. That's why I said trade what you see, not what you think. Trade the markets, not the forecast. To make money from the markets, we don't need to forecast. We don't need to know where the market is going to go. To hell with it. Markets will do what it wants to do. The real thing is, what do you wish to do? I should know only one thing: where to hold, where to fold. If I know that place, I can make money in the market every day. So that's why I say trade what you see. My opinion is just an opinion. It's worthless. We don't trade our opinions. We trade the markets. Market is always right. So I think if someone sees my videos, I always say Bhav Bhagwan hai. That's fine. That's why I say that trade what you see. So it's a reinforcement in my brain at the subconscious level. The
So you're
market is supreme.
referring to majorly the charts and the patterns.
Exactly, 100%. The chart. That tells the truth. Someone is buying, someone is selling. It's registered as a tick on the chart. My job is to read the chart. So I'm one day late or a moment late after someone is bought or someone is sold. He has done it for some reasons. I don't know. But he has done it. My job is I'm seeing what he has done.
That's very subjective, what he does.
What he does is subjective.
Yeah.
I'm seeing what he has done. And what I'm seeing is the truth. I'm
So
not
you're
forming an
saying
opinion.
fundamentals and technicals, if we talk about that. You're saying technicals are much more important.
never said that.
Okay.
It's
So-
just that I don't understand.
Okay.
Yeah. See, fundamental is amazing. You see, look at valuation and say value is very good. It's cheap. It's cheap today. Tomorrow it will be cheaper. Day after, maybe more cheaper. So that's why a fundamental analyst would recommend a buy there because it's cheap. To me, it's coming down. It's a sell. To me, how I look at it, how is it coming down? Is it coming down slowly or is it coming down with a vengeance? Gode ki chaal we say that. The way it's coming down tells me it's going to exhaust his selling. That means it's not going down further down. Is there a place to buy? One. To see that, I must see at least few things. A is an exhaustion in selling. Or see some strength in going up. If the market is going up, is it masking? So all this is technical looking at the chart. So these are two different parameters, two different sciences, two different ways to look at it. I don't understand fundamentals, so I have no right to belittle it. It's an amazing science. It's just that I don't understand. It's like, for me, it's Greek.
Your
French.
core strength is
My
technical.
core strength is chart. I look at the chart 16 to 18 hours a day. That's my strength. For me,
And,
if
yeah.
you wake me up in the middle of the night and tell me this chart, kya lagta hai, I'll tell you upar jayega. It takes less than a second for me.
And
That's
I
all.
think it's also very reliable because news can come at any hour. But if your technical is strong, I think you can beat the
Worst
market.
comes to worst, your stop loss will get triggered. और तो कुछ होने वाला नहीं है.
I know.
So you take a trade with two exits, stop loss and target. Worst comes to worst, your stop loss is triggered. If you manage the risk before you're taking a trade, you're in safe boat.
And how did you develop this amazing power of reading charts? And
It was an accident.
let's talk about it.
It's an accident.
Let's go back to your early days and give us milestones of your entry into finance and how did this entire journey start?
Entry into finance is. I tell you what. Basically, I come from a very, very humble background. My father was a salesman in a store, working as a salesman selling clothes. His last salary was 290 rupees a month. I must have been very young. I remember a Diwali night, he came home and he said he's given up his job.
Which
Just-
year was this?
I don't know, must be around 62, 63. We were 5 of us at home and he just declared I've given up my job because I was not treated well in my where I was working shop. Diwali was celebration for everyone. For us, it was more of a sad day. I remember that evening. And couple of days he thought, he said, मैं सेठ के लिए 100 रुपया, 50 रुपया, 80 रुपया अगर दिन का कमा सकता हूँ. His salary was 290. क्या खुद के लिए 10 रुपया नहीं कमा सकता? It was a question mark. He was an illiterate. He came from Pakistan during partition. So he had a rough life. He said, खुद के लिए 10 रुपया नहीं कमा सकता. एंड द आंसर वाज कमा सकता हूँ, अगर किसी और के लिए 100 कमा सकता हूँ तो खुद के लिए 10 तो कमा सकता हूँ. देन ही स्टार्टेड, मैं धंधा करूंगा, उसके लिए पैसा चाहिए ना, he didn't money, he didn't have money. So he used to borrow goods from shopkeepers and sell it home to home as a hawker. I remember first day he made 35 rupees. And his objective was to make 10. So that balance money went into a kitty of savings. Next day he made 17 rupees. Objective was to make 10. 7 was. So I've seen those days going up. Slowly making money. And his objective was to survive and make 10 rupees a day. In the bargain, he made more. And he started his life as a hawker. And I've seen, my learnings have been from him, my parents, mom and dad. My mom used to put sew falls on the saris, switch petticoats for people. So I've seen those kind of poverty. And my mom had only one dream, beta pad lo. So at least you don't have to become a salesman. Kam se kam ek naukri milegi to become a clerk in a bank. There's a big thing those days, matriculation. So I barely pushed myself and cleared my SSC somewhere in 71 with 53% marks. Not a very bright student. I failed in class 3. I would duffer actually, honestly. And then I did my graduation. Did my graduation in 75 with 35 point something percentage marks. Barely passed. Not even 36%. Then I happened to meet someone who was doing management. He asked me, "Kya karoge? What are you doing?" I said, "I'll do something." "Kya karoge?" I asked him, "What are you doing?" He said, "I'm doing management." So I said, "Main bhi kar lunga." I met someone on the road speaking with him on the road. So I took admission. Those days it was very easy to get management school education. I joined up. Then actually, I think something opened up there. When I came in touch with corporate guys wearing ties, suits and gowns, guest lecturers, there's something figured out, मैं कुछ करूँगा. Then I took up a job at Dalmia Dairy Industries Limited. I was the junior most executive employee, making 801 rupees 60 paisa a month. But within 2 years, I was number 2 in the company.
Wow.
They took me to Delhi, set up a fertilizer plant for them in Dharuheda, Haryana, which is 70 kilometers from Delhi. Single super phosphate and sulfuric acid plant, a fertilizer plant. Then my father by then had done very well in his business. He had a shop of his own. We lived from a chawl of 120 square feet, we had moved to a Valli Seaface panoramic sea view apartment. And he came to me and said, "Naukri chodo." So I asked him, "Kyun? Why?" I remember this one line he said, "Neech naukri, uch vyapar."
Oh.
I remember the line.
Neech naukri,
Uch vyapar.
uch vyapar.
He said, "बेटा जब तक सेठ को जरूरत है ना, सिर की तरह ताज की तरह रखेगा. जब जरूरत नहीं होगी ना, फेंक देगा उतार के, पता भी नहीं पड़ेगा." He had been an employee. ना, he बोला मैं नौकर रह चुका हूँ, मुझे पता है नौकरी क्या होती है. तो I said, "I have few conditions." Now here is the son giving conditions to his father. But I admit, I told him मेरी condition बोले क्या? I said, धंधा बढ़ाएंगे, business और करेंगे. उसी धंधे पे नहीं जाएंगे, बढ़ाएंगे. इसे डन. अच्छा और एक दुकान लगाएंगे. इसे डन. वैसे मैं शादी नहीं करूंगा जब तक मुझे सेकंड इनकम नहीं होगा.
Good one.
Yeah, he says done. And I came back to Mumbai, and we started another business. And I excelled in that business. You know, there's one thing that I do is I do a lot of things with devotion. We're into fabrics. I started sourcing fabric from the interiors from the villages, from the guys who handloom guys.
The roots.
Roots, absolute. Those guys would sell in the wholesale market in their city, like Bangalore. They would sell it to someone wholesaler in Mumbai. They would sell it to us retailers. So I went to the source right at the handloom level. So my cost was something like, I made 2.5 to 3 times my cost.
Yeah.
Plus I had stuff which nobody had. I just had something very exclusive stuff. I could price whatever I wanted to. I did extremely well. I have a little problem. I admit, I confess. I am smart, no doubt about it. I'm intelligent 100%. There's no two things about it. The problem is I think I'm the only guy.
You feel like an alien.
think I'm the only guy. It's all idiots. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Everyone is smart. So I met some.
It's like that, you know. They say if you're smartest in the room, you need to change the room.
I am intelligent, 100%. If someone has a problem with this, their problem. If someone is watching this, they have a problem, their problem. Let them deal with it. I'm good in my job. Because I had seen success. I climbed the corporate ladder, young age of 26. So I had seen what success was. For me, Midas Touch, whatever I did was successful. I met few people from the market itself who were trading stock market.
Which year was this? How old were you?
This was somewhere in the year 98, 97, 96.
And you were
I was around 40 plus.
40 plus.
Yeah, 40. 40 plus, 45, 46. And they were playing stock market. And by then I had amassed a lot of money. बहुत पैसा बना लिया था. I mean, I was like invincible. I could make money anything. Travel around, pick up something and sell it. बिक जाता था माल. And make 2 or 3 times the cost.
Best in sales.
Yeah. So I was good at sourcing material. And they were playing stock market. And they used to brag. Yeah, आज 20,000 कमाया, आज 30,000 कमाया. I said, this Sindhi medium school.
Is that talking?
Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm Sindhi medium, I'm from English medium. ये लोग कमा सकते हैं तो मैं भी तो कमा सकता हूँ. I'm smart. इनको तो आता नहीं अक्कल. तो एक दिन मैंने पूछा उनसे कौन सा स्टॉक लेने. Fact, I remember the stock. They said Transpect Packaging ले लो. Still not listed, huh? कितने का है? 14 rupees they said. 14 rupees बस. कहाँ मिलेगा? बोला तुम्हारे भाई का दोस्त है. उसको फोन कर लो मिल जाएगा. That time there was no KYC, no filling of forms.
You just call the broker. And
yeah, I told my younger brother, बोल दे बाबा को. उसका दोस्त है. And he bought 1,000. Within 1 month, it went to 28 rupees.
Double.
That
must have given you a
And then
like
अरे
magical place.
ऐसा मैं सारा दिन मेहनत करता हूँ, इतना ट्रैवल करता हूँ. I source material. I make 20%, 30% gross profit, net profit. Gross profit के बाद ये धंधा अच्छा है स्टॉक मार्केट. 100% मिला. Then I realized अरे idiot प्रकाश गाबा. मैंने तो खाली फोन किया था. मैंने पैसा कहाँ दिया था उसको? I didn't transfer money to him. I just called him up. So investment was 0. So actually it's a gift.
Double bonus.
Then I said, idiot. Again I shouted. Why did I buy just 1,000? I didn't have to pay money. उसको 10,000 बोलना था. I would have made 1,40,000.
Yeah.
This went on into my mind. That's the business too. You don't have to pay money. Those days we had to buy a product, buy a stock. We had to make payments within 15 days or 30 days.
Yeah.
And बदला system was there. पैसा तो देने का नहीं था. Tip भी अच्छा था. मिला था. लेना था. This went on for a while. Started believing in tips. I forgot my mainline business जहाँ से पैसा कमाया था.
You put that on autopilot, kind of.
चलना है. And I started doing the business of stock market. Trading, buying on tips, selling on tips. If I bought something at X amount, it went up to B.
How much fund did you start with? And like
Started 14,000.
Okay, this was your first trade.
First trade. उसके बाद तो everything went into it.
And you started trading daily?
Really,
After
a couple
that?
of times a day.
Acha.
On the phone. It's like addiction. It's an addiction.
Yeah.
And your quantities also increased. If I bought something and it went up higher and I sold it, I made money, I used to be happy. But went up again higher than that, when I sold it, दुख होता था, अरे यार नहीं बेचना चाहिए था.
I missed the alpha. Do you remember any of the stocks back then?
Many stocks.
Give us some names.
I'll tell you what. The person who's listening is perhaps he lives in Pune. I'm not going to name him.
Okay.
I'm not going to name him. We used to call him Lambo. He used to also frequent the broker.
Okay.
He used to frequent a broker.
Huh.
And someone told me this Lambo has made 1 crore 20 lakhs rupees in that year.
At that time.
That year.
Wow.
That was in 99. So whatever, and Lambo used to get information from some institutions. So he used to buy and sell inside information. I asked Lambo, बताओ ना कोई लेने का क्या? Then he would not. Nobody, you were nobody for him.
Yeah.
And why would anyone give information? When someone gives you information, he's actually putting money in your pocket.
Yeah.
He would not give. But then I observed that Lambu would put his sauda at a particular terminal.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there was a girl manning the terminal. She was at the terminal.
Oh, okay.
So I put out that girl.
How nice.
Yeah. Became friends with her. तू लंबू जो लेता ना खाली मेरे को बता दे. That's all. Simple.
Did she charge commission?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Made up
Just
that.
your charm.
Yes. My wife knows about it.
She'd
I said
also
it,
be
I was in a
happy as
talk in
long as it
Varanasi,
works.
and she was sitting as a guest. I said this to her. She didn't know it before that. But now,
Nice.
and she would call me up. लंबू ने ये लिया, मेरा भी ले ले.
God, this is hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing.
And लंबू ने ये लिया, ये बेचने को रॉम में रखा है, तो मेरा भी बेच दो उसके पहला. लंबू is suppose selling at X. Sell before, let me sell first, then Bambu later on. उसका तो दाम आने वाला है. If he gets sold, I'll get sold before him. So I had to buy after him, sell before him.
Wow.
This went on for some 2 months.
Okay.
I remember an incident of Colgate. I हंस रहा हूँ. Thank you, Lambu. Because I am here because of Lambu.
And the girl.
Girl का तो कुछ नहीं. I am here because of Lambu, not because of that girl.
You're not thanking her.
No, I'll not tell you. Not thanking. This is the reason for why I'm thanking him. If he's listening, he just call me up and he should call me up and meet me. तो चीटो में लंबू ने कोलगेट खरीदा है. कितना क्वांटिटी खरीदा है? इतना क्वांटिटी खरीदा है.
हाँ.
अरे डन, मेरा भी ले ले उतना. तब तक मेरी आई वाज टक्कर ले रहा था लंबू से. जो क्वांटिटी बोलता है मैं भी लूंगा, मेरा भी ले ले. कितने में बेचा? बोला 156 पे रखा है बेचने के लिए. तो 150 मेरा 154 पे बेचते हैं. आई टोल्ड. सो इट वेंट टू 154. आई गॉट सोल्ड.
हाँ.
Did it go to 156? नहीं गया. Lambu was still hanging there. I got sold.
Wow.
It came down again to 125. She called me up again. Colgate वापस लेने का है, क्या हुआ? तो वापस 126 में आया. अच्छा लंबू है उधर. She told me Lambu is still there. अच्छा लंबू है उधर, तो वापस सारा जाएगा उधर. मेरा भी वापस ले.
Re-entry.
So I entered a re-entry. Again क्या करेंगे? I said 152 में बेचते. सस्ता, ₹2 और सस्ता. It went to 152. I sold. Did it go to 156? नहीं गया.
You're still there.
He's still there. तो फिर नीचे आया. Again she called me. 130 में है Colgate. क्या? लंबू है? लंबू है. My question not like Colgate is लंबू है. वो जाएगा उधर लंबू पे.
What confidence.
क्योंकि लंबू पर कॉन्फिडेंस था. दाम आएगा. ऐसे मेरा भी एंट्री कर ले, री एंट्री. फिर वापस उसके वही दाम पे बेच दे वापस. Again it got sold. Then Lambu went in. It seems asked that Colgate का क्या हुआ? तो Colgate का तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. आपका क्या दाम है? अब तक आया नहीं उधर. तो इतना सौदा क्यों दिखा रहा है उसने सर? Lambu asked that girl. इतना तो ट्रेडिंग हुआ, ये तो सौदा क्यों दिखा रहा है? बोला पता नहीं. देखो किसने किया? बोला गाबा ने किया.
She told him.
उसने she saw that गाबा किसने किया Colgate इतना सौदा? बोला गाबा ने किया. He saw I had bought after him, sold before him. I had done 3 trades.
3 entries.
He didn't tell anything. कुछ नहीं बोला उसने. He observed me for next 15-20 days. He realized I was entering after him, exiting before him. So I was riding him. He wanted to teach me a lesson.
How?
One day he went and bought Reliance there.
Oh, that was not the right one.
He bought Reliance.
हाँ.
So I got a call. Lambu ने Reliance लिया है.
You followed.
मेरा भी quantity same Reliance. Lambu went to the next room and sold Reliance. Double the quantity.
Oh, and you didn't know that.
I was net long. He was net short.
Reverse.
He reversed it. He wanted to teach me a lesson. I carried forward Reliance for some month and a half. That time it was, you could carry forward.
Yeah.
And I lost immensely, lots of money. I was destroyed.
Almost everything you made.
Everything. I lost money. So Lambu taught me a lesson. But that day I realized one thing. I have lost money. अगर मैंने लॉस किया है, कोई तो होगा जिसने मेरा पैसा कमाया है.
Always.
अगर वो आदमी पैसा कमा सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं? कुछ तो होगा. That was the turning point of my life. So I came into finance somewhere in the year 78, 79. I went solo in 2000. I remember I went to buy medicine for myself. And Bandra Medical Store, Nair is the owner of it. He knew me very well. My shop was next to it. Amlopin was a pill that I needed. He asked me for 12 rupees. And I had only 10 rupees.
Oh.
I still carry in my wallet, there's still 10 rupees there. The same note is there.
My God.
And I didn't have money. So he told me, लेके जाओ, बाद में देना पैसा. ऐसे नहीं, मैं आता हूँ. So I went to my younger brother Mahesh. I said, Mahesh, मेरे को 2 रुपया देना. And he told me, क्या चाहिए? दवा चाहिए. कौन सी? ऐसे एम्ब्रोपिन. मैं मंगाता हूँ. He opened his drawer and I saw in the cash box there were only 55 rupees. She got for me pill. I took the pill. My age was 47 then. I'm 73 today. I took the pill and I came home and I told my wife, अपने पास पैसा नहीं है. We were 6 of us. My wife, my son, myself, my younger brother Mahesh, his wife, and his son. 6. 6 of us, no money. And I asked her, कितना घर का खर्चा कितना है? तो भी calculated 15,000 रुपया महीने का खर्चा है. She told me that if you give me 500 rupees a day, मैं घर चलाऊंगी. I said 500 रुपये दिन का तो मैं दूंगा. That's not a problem. Because I had an overdraft facility in the bank for 4.5 lakhs.
Okay.
500 का तो दूंगा. But I said, मैं अब कमाऊंगा पैसा. मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं इसको. I just have a tendency of not giving up. Always fight back. That's me.
Yeah.
That's me. So after a while, she came to me and told me, मुझे ये मिठाई बनानी आती है. Can I make these sweets and take orders? I said, do it. She started making some sweets which our aunt had taught her. Sindhi की सेव मिठाई. She used to take orders of 1 kilo, half kilo. She started taking from her friends. That would supplement the income. My job was to make 500 rupees a day. That's all. That was my job. So I started my life there in 2000.
Again into trading?
Only in trading.
And you took a course after that, or
I did on my own.
you learned on your own?
On my own. I happened to visit someone who was watching charts. I told him, ये क्या है? I told him, chart है. I said, chart में क्या होता है? He told me, you buy here, you sell here. I said, तो easy है. बताओ मेरे कहाँ मिलता है चार्ट? बोलो एशियन सीआरसी एक कंपनी है, वो वहाँ से डेटा मिलेगा, ये सॉफ्टवेयर वो लोग देगा. आई वेंट टू एशियन सीआरसी, मेरे को एक चाहिए, मेरे को. They will give you that सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं मेरे पास है. They will pirated सॉफ्टवेयर, मेटास्टॉक, वो लगा के देंगे. ऐसे दे दो. मेटास्टॉक 6.
Yeah.
I used Metasort 6, learned myself, making money, losing money, that struggle lasted for years and years.
The learning.
Learning curve is difficult.
How
I used to
many
work
years?
6 to 8 years.
Wow.
6 to 8 years. Learning difficult. Survive. See, in the stock market, first you have to survive. If you can survive, you can trade tomorrow. If you don't survive today, you can't trade tomorrow.
True.
I used to work for 16 to 18 hours a day. To this day, I work for 16 to 18 hours.
Wow.
Every day.
Mostly
that routine has not changed.
patterns. Studying
Just
patterns.
looking at the charts. So that's how I came into the chart reading. So it's never left after that. I think after reading charts, I used to look for one chart, maybe around hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, looking at one chart, saying, applying different indicators. कल ये ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे जाएगा. Just to get a feeling, कल ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे जाएगा. Is it a buy or a sell? That's all. Today, I promise you, I look at that chart a fraction of a second. In 1 second, I could see 2 or 3 charts.
Wow.
And I'll say, ऊपर जाएगा, ये नहीं जाएगा. It's that fast. That's why I said, we were speaking, the processing speed is fast.
The brain mapping is
fast.
very
I
strong.
can make out it's going to go. I can feel that momentum of the chart under my skin and the bone. I know it's going to go up tomorrow. This is not going to go up tomorrow. But looking at just fraction of a second, not even 1 second. Maybe in 1 second, I could see 2 or 3 charts. It's like that click, 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 that fast. But those days, I used to look at maybe an hour, 40 minutes, 30 minutes.
So that brings me to my next question. Let's say if I am a trader and I'm starting my journey. So let's do like a masterclass for a new trader who's starting off. Since we are at that point in your journey, what's the first thing I should be doing?
You can lose money. Anything easier than making money? Yes, losing is easier than making money. 90% or 92% people, traders lose money.
Yeah.
That means 8% people survive.
Why?
And out of that, 2% become master traders.
Exactly.
Others make money. The 2% are damn good traders.
Yeah.
They can make money at ease, at will.
So what's the differentiator?
Thing is, people predict the market. And then they trade their predictions. Prediction is their opinion. Opinions don't matter. मेरी बीवी मेरी बात नहीं मानती, मेरा बेटा मेरी बात नहीं मानता, हमारे employees don't work, listen to me. Why the market will listen to me? So my prediction is useless. It's just my opinion. Opinion has no value.
So you think those 2% master traders go with technicals, and that is why
I don't say they go with technique. I don't know what they go with, but they're master traders. They only manage risk. It's one statement I'm going to make now here.
Yes.
Markets will do what it wants to do. Markets will do what it wants to. I don't know. I don't care. It will do what it wants to do. If I buy at a particular price 100 and if it goes to 101 because someone has bought after me, if it comes to 99, someone has sold after me. So I don't know what people are going to do. Who the hell am I to know what is going to do? Moment I come into a state where I don't know what's going to happen, then I'm looking at the reality of the chart. The truth, what is happening now is the breath that we take.
That becomes your source of truth.
That becomes a source. So we have to realize today that will not predict the market. I don't know what the market will do. Market will do what it wants to do. I don't know who's going to buy after me. I don't know who's going to sell after me.
And
if
you
I
don't
know
need
anything,
to know.
who the hell am I? So my opinion is only a feeling and it shouldn't be trading my opinion, trading the markets. That's why the first statement when you said, trade what you see, not what you think. Trade the markets, not the forecast. Happy trading, enjoy your ride.
I think it's also very peaceful, right? If you're strong in charts and patterns. Because you're not constantly looking for updates and it's so unpredictable.
No. You just have to doing some, just look at the chart. You upar jayega. Le le. Buyer. Yeah. Then manage risk and sell.
It's like a game.
I don't know. As a child, I used to play the games with it.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, crashed out. Does he think? He doesn't think. He doesn't think. He's just playing a game, for it's a computer game. Trading should be as simple as that. If you come to that level, you make money.
You're through.
Yeah. You have to come to that level.
So
it takes time.
How does one come to that level?
No substitute for experience. No substitute. 100% no substitute. Knowledge makes no money. Knowledge is all superficial. It's kind of an intellectual exercise. Ultimately, no substitute for experience.
So, let's go stepwise.
Boli.
Let's say today I start my journey as a trader. For all the audience who are starting off now, what's the first step? Like, where do I open my account? What should be my first trade? What is the roadmap?
Open an account, which is an online account, where the platform should be reasonably robust. These days, all platforms are good. One. Have an account with a broker where the commission is least. It's a cost. You make money, it's a cost. If you lose money, that adds to your cost. You have your expenses to the bare minimum. Bare minimum, full stop. If you can work with free, do it free. Kharcha mat pado. If you get a free software, do it free software. Don't invest into a lot of things. First make money, learn, and then you keep investing. And I'll tell you, if you can make money without investing, why do you want to invest?
Yeah.
Kya zarorat hai?
The way you started.
I started. So just have low expenses. Start making money. Start making money. Start making money. If you can do it, why you want to have 4 screens or 6 screens? लैपटॉप तो एक ही स्क्रीन में भी पैसा बनता है तो क्यों नहीं बनाते हो?
So
डिफिकल्ट नहीं पैसा बनाना. Simple है, easy नहीं है. Simple.
But do you think like I need to take a course? Is it going to add value? What's
100%.
your perspective?
देखो खुद सीख सकते तो बहुत अच्छा, अगर नहीं सीखते तो किसी गुरु को ढूंढो.
Mentor.
गुरु को ढूंढो. I mean, गुरु के बगैर, ज्ञान के बगैर you'll be lost. You're going to lose money and learn at your own expense. People learn from either experience or observation. There's no other third experience. All our knowledge, your knowledge, my knowledge is the bounce knowledge.
Yeah.
97 to 98% of knowledge is bounce knowledge. Only 2 to 3% is absolute original knowledge.
Yeah.
And that we just keep it to ourselves actually. Most of the time when we speak, if my knowledge in school, colleges, everywhere is bounce knowledge. Someone has written something, someone has said something, it's bounce knowledge to me. Maybe my father said something to me, maybe my older brother said something to me. It's a bounce knowledge to me. So my knowledge is not my knowledge, it's bounce knowledge. 97 to 98% of knowledge is bounce knowledge.
Yes.
हमको किससे तो किससे सीखना पड़ेगा ना. तो उससे सीखो जो उस जर्नी को पार कर चुका है, who's endured the journey. Learn from him.
Somebody like you. Yeah.
Yeah, I am a good mentor and I fire my students. I fire the hell out of them. Because if I don't fire them, they lose money.
Of course. It's needed.
I fire the hell out of them. It hurts me, that's why. Not that I enjoy.
Yeah. What's
There's
the
no sadistic pleasure.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the momentum of the journey like for a trader in terms of funds?
In terms of?
Funds, like risking the capital.
Yeah.
Let's talk about, also the psychological mistakes that traders make. I think that's one of the biggest challenges.
Big picture.
Yeah. So, what's a good slow and steady roadmap for a trader to be stable
Start small.
and not
Practice.
crash?
Start small.
How much?
I have a student who started with 30,000 rupees.
Okay.
And his objective was to make enough money so that he could repeat my course. 30,000. And he makes good money now.
Okay.
So, money is not important. The process is more important.
So you mean like,
If you have
He's-
more money, one could lose money.
yeah,
If you don't
this higher the risk.
Yeah, you could lose money.
So 30,000, let's say
And he's
somebody
trading
puts-
options.
Yeah. Oh, he's trading options.
Nifty. No bank nifty, just nifty. 30,000, not much. He survived. He's making money.
And he's
He lives in
multiplying the same capital.
He's surviving. He learns. He takes care of his family. He lives in Panvel.
But no more addition to that.
No,
He's building on that.
he's not building on that. I think he is the limitation of 30,000.
Okay.
He is the limitation of 30,000. Sometimes we have a mindset. There's a barrier. We create our own barriers in our mind. You have to break that barrier. There's a barrier. And yesterday was Friday, today is Saturday. I posted an interview on my YouTube.
Okay.
A Sardar, a Sikh from Amritsar. He's a lawyer by profession. Makes good money. He makes good money.
So let's say I have 1 lakh today.
More than enough
Let's
to
say
make money.
trade. Yeah. But how do I diversify this now?
Not
to
diversify.
start?
You start
Yeah.
trading.
Trading in
Nifty options.
directly options.
Directly options only. Risk not more than 2% per trade. That means if you lose 2%, you still have 98. This 2% again 98. We can't, इतने गंदे तो है नहीं, खराब तो है नहीं कि we'll blow up our capital. You can't blow up your capital.
Because options has become a taboo now. Like literally.
People don't know. That's why it is.
Yeah.
People sell options. I buy options. People sell options. They say easier, safer. Nonsense. If you know it, buying is easier. Why should we option seller? It's safer for people. Sell both and make money. It's as simple as that. If you know it's going up, buy and sell. If you know it's coming down, sell and buy. If you don't know, keep your mouth shut. Keep the finger which you put on the mouse, keep sucking it. Because you take a trade, you lose money.
Or maybe just keep it
Sorry, my
away.
examples are very bad. But that's
It's
what it is.
okay.
Otherwise, they don't understand. They're going to lose money. Rather suck my thumb.
No, so you're saying options is one thing that we can
Yeah.
enter into, but I don't risk the entire capital there.
2% of the
Yeah,
capital. That means
2%.
2,000 you're willing to lose. 2,000 or 1 lakh.
And do I enter equity and futures as well? Do you think?
How much will you make money if you put in equity?
No, for
1 lakh में कुछ नहीं. You can't make money.
Experience.
Experience के लिए करना है तो don't why you want to put money? Just trade paper trading. कर दो paper trading, but उसमें मजा नहीं आएगा.
हाँ,
You'll get bored.
exactly.
You have to put in the money. But to lose money, make money.
Mm-hmm.
You will lose some, make money, lose some. But trick here is to make more, lose less. That's a trick. When you lose 2, you make 4%. The risk-reward ratio plays a bigger part here. And if you become proficient, you're more right than wrong. So ultimately, slowly, you become 1 lakh se zyada badega. But again, risk 2% of the enhanced capital.
Keep the risk constant, basically, you're saying.
Risk control is in my hand. Profit is not in my hand. Risk control is the only thing that I own. Only thing I own.
And
is,
if you were to compare futures and options again, what do you think is better to start?
I prefer options. The margin requirement for future is high. I have a student, she trades only options, futures. Trades futures. Doesn't understand options, it's okay. Perfectly
It's
okay.
faster. I mean,
She has money
options. Yeah.
Yeah.
She can hold.
Yeah, she can hold, it's okay. She does it. To me, it doesn't matter. To me, I can trade options. If I can do it, why not? If I can walk a thin ice, I can do it. If I cannot, I shouldn't do it. It's a comfort zone.
And what's an average ROI, let's say, one
Never
can
look at
make?
it. The rule is, mantra is never look at it. Never look at it. Because when
Annually.
you're looking at it, you're defocusing from a process. The focus is shifted from process to making money. The moment you focus on making money, you're forgetting the process. The process makes you money, not the ROI.
No, I get your point and I agree with you. But let's say somebody doing it professionally, right? After a year, you want to see what's your ROI on the capital. So, with that sense, I'm saying what's the minimum and maximum one can get to.
What with 10 lakhs rupees one can make 1 lakh rupees a day? What is the ROI? 10% a day. It's possible.
Wow,
if
the
someone-
audience will jump out of their chair now.
That is why I didn't want to say this. No, then everyone will think that they can make. Not everyone can make. Not everyone can make.
This is after years.
No, even after a few months. Where do you get it? So it's not the ROI important, the process makes you ROI. ROI by itself is useless. So and I remember one of my students was saying, yeah, I made this percentage, this much, return was this much percent. I said, stop looking at percentage. You're going to compare next month with this percentage. And if you from 41% you made, and if you've gone to 38% this month, you made 40% in one month. And next month you make 38%, you're going to lose confidence. 1 month, 41%.
Or you have to be prepared.
He will not, because he's going to compare 41, he wants to go to 42%. If it comes to 36%, he's going to lose confidence.
Or you average.
It doesn't reflect. It doesn't reflect on your ability. Just no reflection on your ability.
It's the market condition.
Correct. So one can make money if he wants to make money. अगर साइकिल चलाना आती है तो चला सकता है, नहीं चलाना आती है तो ठोक देगा. I can fly an aircraft. Not everyone can do that.
And you think there's opportunity in every market condition, bearish,
Doesn't
bullish.
matter.
Yeah.
Oh, you see, it depends on your time frame. Market for last 5 days, suppose it's in sideways zone.
Hmm.
So you'll say market is sideways. But look at the lower time frame. It's making a trend.
Hmm.
So every time frame there's a trend. You got to be in the right time frame.
What time frame do you usually look at?
I look at all the time frame. Trading I can just do it 3 minutes.
Oh, so you see all the frames.
I look at the chart, all time frame. Trading 3 minutes, good enough time frame. Quick in, quick out.
Entry, exit.
Quick in, quick out. That's it. Take it out. 3 minutes. Good enough. If I can see a pattern in 3 minutes and take a decision in 3 minutes, is good enough.
And how many trades a day you do?
Depends on me. It depends on me.
Average.
There's nothing. Just in and out. That's it. You know what I do? I do multitasking. I'm on air television, and I'm teaching live. I'm having a breakfast, listening to the music when I'm getting bored. And I see a trade, I take a trade. So I do multitasking. Attend to phone calls. So
And now you do it on your phone, or do you need
no, never on the phone. Never.
only the machine?
I think phone
Charts are tough to see.
charts are small. It's like looking at a ball. It's such a big ball you see, like a football, and you see a tennis ball, which looks better than football. So I like to see a bigger chart. I can see the momentum of the bigger chart. छोटे chart में क्या दिखेगा? So I don't look at mobile phone. In fact, I feel traders should desist from using mobile phones.
Mobile. Yeah.
If you're looking at a chart,
You're inviting errors.
chota hai. You're compromising a lot of things. It's such a big screen, you can see the momentum. Wow, the energy you can see. That's better than looking at the chart. So I prefer a screen. I prefer screen.
And what's like, which platform do you use personally?
I use TradingView for Nifty Bank Nifty. Otherwise, there are certain software that I use because I come on television, I have to be on air. It wouldn't be fair to name the platform, they'll be plugging in. So I wouldn't use the name. It's a robust platform which I've been using since I started in 2000. I continue to do that. And because I got used to the color scheme and use the key commands I know. There are many platforms that are cheaper than that, free platform, but I don't do it because I'm used to it.
Or maybe you can recommend 3-4 if you don't want to name one. Like, just for a beginner.
For a beginner, they are paid platforms.
Yeah.
Otherwise, every broker platform is offering free. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing. TradingView is free.
Yeah.
TradingView is free. Look at the FNO chart, make a group of a FNO chart and keep scrolling it free of charge. What's wrong with it? I use TradingView myself.
And how does one stay away from all these tips that you get? Oh my God, it's become such a rage. You know, these Telegram groups, and you have WhatsApp groups, and there are constantly tips and margins coming in. So
People calling you. People call me up and saying that they
Yeah.
are speaking from Prakash Gaba's office.
what?
Yes.
That's happened?
They keep calling me. Prakash Gaba's office, do you want tips? How is your trading going? They
Are
all
you
fake.
serious?
There was a scam. I complained to the police in September, a 400 crore scam in my name. I complained. The police really worked. Cybercrime worked hard, amazingly. I'll show it to you. They cracked the case in 2 months. It was a Cambodia-based scam.
My
400 crore
God.
scam.
How did you handle that?
I didn't handle it. I mean, I could see some ads in my name. That's not me. WhatsApp group or Telegram group. So I filed a complaint to the police. Cybercrime. Bombay.
No, tell us more about it. Like, what was the whole story?
Facebook ads coming in.
Okay.
And join. I said, that's not me. And
So
that's
there
one thing-
was somebody putting an ad in your name.
Someone was speaking my dialect. The only thing was, it was Cambridge English or Oxford English. My English
As
is local English. I said, ये तो मैं नहीं हूँ. So it was Facebook ads. Someone from Cambodia.
Like video ads.
Video ads, absolute video ads.
Also
Join WhatsApp group.
AI.
Yeah, AI. Yeah.
So they made
mocked-
your AI avatar and put a whatever English,
Yes.
and then you were talking.
Yes. And people are joining the groups. And so I
And what
compared-
was the claim?
claim was they join the WhatsApp group, you'll make lots of money. And so I complained to Cybercrime Police Mumbai.
And
September
how
2000.
did you see that? Like somebody
Facebook.
you saw it.
Yeah, so I Facebook. So I sent the clip to them. Cybercrime Mumbai Police. I credit them. Amazing. They worked for two months. They found 4 guys. 2 from Assam, 1 from Bangalore, 1 from Thane.
Oh, all Indians.
All Indians. But the ads were from Cambodia.
Basically the IP.
Chinese and the Cambodia, something like that. So
The
it's
IP
not
address.
earlier it is not interstate. Earlier it was interstate between Jharkhand, Indore, and Bhopal is there earlier. Nowadays not international, Cambodia. The jurisdiction is
They're
different.
posting from there.
Yes. Posting ads from there.
Okay.
That's
And these 4 guys were actually the
They use their names, their telephone numbers. 4 of them. They were pawns, that's it.
yeah.
400 crore.
And they recovered?
I have no idea. This was in September.
So they caught hold of
I
this.
have it on my phone. I'll send it to you.
Yeah.
So you can put it on the screen there.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, people should know this. There have been a lot of, I think after AI, it's been crazy.
See, nobody gives you free tips. Anyone who's giving you free tip, हमको चाय भी कोई free नहीं पिलाता है, मैं बताता हूँ. चाय पिलाने के लिए भी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. किसी को गाली देनी पड़ती है, सताना पड़ता है, तब जाके वो गाली देता है. तो गाली भी कोई नहीं देता. तो चाय कौन पिलाएगा? So nobody gives you free tips. So is this.
But are they even making sense? Like, are they authentic or is it just a commercial?
What happens is basically there are small villages, small towns. People get hooked onto it.
Mm.
They don't know. They're not as savvy.
Yeah.
They get caught and they lose money.
It's also very distracting, I feel.
It hurts you.
Yeah.
When you lose capital, you just don't lose capital. You pay income. You lose income tax paid capital. It's more than that.
Yeah.
It's hard-earned money. You lose.
Yeah.
The money is not yours. The money is your family. It's your brothers, your sisters, your wife, your mother, father, children. Aapka paisa nahi when you lose money. It hurts me a lot.
So,
I'll tell you, I must relate to one story.
yes.
Incident happened on 10 or 12 or 13 years back. I don't remember. A scientist called me up
Okay.
and he said, I've retired. And I spoke with him. He says, I want to trade. So I spoke with him and I told him, आपको trading नहीं करना चाहिए. He told me, क्यों? I said, आपका temperament नहीं है.
Mm.
Straight, आपका temperament नहीं है. आप करोगे तो loss होगा आपका.
Mm.
He felt offended.
Mm.
I'm an intelligent guy, scientist. You're telling me I don't understand.
Mm.
I said, आपका काम नहीं है. So few months later, he called me up again. 6 or 8 months later. So I asked him, आपको मेरी बात हुई है? आपने मुझे पहले भी फोन किया है?
Mm.
हाँ. आप देहरादून से हैं? सर
Mm.
आप साइंटिस्ट हैं, रिटायर्ड? सर हाँ.
Mm.
मैंने आपको बोला था ट्रेड नहीं करना. हाँ. He lost 6.5 lakhs rupees after retirement of his provident fund money.
In trading.
In trading. 6.5 lakhs rupees of his provident fund.
Mm.
मैंने आपको बोला था नहीं करने के लिए. ऐसा आज भी बोलता मत कीजिए. I told him. It hurts me. He's given his life to being a scientist, to science, for us, you and me.
Yeah.
It hurts me. There was one girl, that was maybe 18 or 19 years back.
Mm.
She called me from Coimbatore
Mm.
and she told me, I have lost money, please help me. I said, you should not be trading. I told her very clearly.
Mm.
How much money have you lost? 1,20,000 rupees. And then she told me that if you don't help me, I will commit suicide.
What? For that much?
Yeah. So I said, who? आपके घर पे कौन है? She was from Coimbatore. So I have a husband. Are you married? She said, yeah, I'm married. How old are you? 19. So why you want to commit suicide? Because my father lost money. Who all in your family? I have a child. She was 19. A child. I said, I'll help you. I promise you I'll help you. Ask your husband to call me because you will not be able to trade. Your husband will be able to trade. In the night, the husband called me up. I said, your wife wants to commit suicide. Take care of her.
No trading talks.
And she had some 30,000 rupees. Believe it or not, it took me around 14 months or so to help her recover to 1,20,000. I gave her advices, do this, buy this to her husband. It took me around 14 months. And when I was visiting Uti, I was passing by Coimbatore. She said, I would like to come and meet me. I said, no meeting me. I'm not meeting anyone. You stop trading, full stop. So people come to that extent.
Yeah. There have been so many cases.
Yes, so many cases.
Yeah.
I get this case. Now, these days, if any army officer is watching it, please listen to me carefully. I get at least 3 to 5 phone calls every week from men in uniform, not naval officers, no Air Force officers, from soldiers losing money.
Soldiers are
Soldiers,
trading
not the officers, soldiers
on the border.
on the border, losing money, trading, losing money.
They are trading on the border.
Yes. Any officers listening to me, please take care of it. Not naval officers, no one from Navy, no one from the Air Force, no army officers, but soldiers. The boots on the ground.
Oh my God.
Yes. 3 to 5 calls every week.
That's quite a news. I don't think anybody would imagine that.
I was coming from Bombay to here. One call received this morning. I told them to stop trading.
And most of them are obviously.
Lost money. The thing is easy. Looking at the mobile phone. नहीं होता. Mobile से नहीं होता.
All right. So let's decode emotional trading
बोलिए ना.
versus risk management. We have seen, most of the traders struggle with greed and fear and the emotions while they're trading. Hence, 98% of them fail. So, can we give them an insight as to how to avoid it? What's the right thing to do?
It's something like this. When someone buys, there's someone seller. Someone who's buying a stock thinks he's right. That's why he's buying it to make money. Someone who's selling it to him also thinks that he is right. And he's also thinking to make money. But one of them is right. Both can't be right. Now, why is someone buying? Because of greed. Why is someone selling? Maybe because of fear or greed. We don't know. So, the fear and greed interplays always, all the time. Sometimes it's the fear that comes out, sometimes the greed. हम खरीदते 100 में 120 जाएगा 120 जाएगा इसलिए वो ग्रीड है. हम बेचते 100 में कि नीचे टूटेगा इसलिए बेच दो. दैट इज फियर है. सो दिस इंटरप्लेस ऑल द टाइम. इसी बगैर काम होता नहीं. अगर आप कोई लॉस कर लेता ना तो वो बोलता है मैं इसको रिवेंज ट्रेडिंग करूँ, वापस और पैसा कमाना है,
मार्केट से निकालूंगा.
निकालना मुझे मार्केट से. डीट है, गलत कर रहा है लेकिन वो पैसा निकालने की कोशिश कर रहा है. वो फियर उसको निकाल रहा है. अगेन ग्रीड टू मेक मनी आउट ऑफ इट. ये तो इंटरप्ले होता रहेगा. दिस इज मार्केट. इसलिए तो 90% लूज करते हैं मार्केट में. 90 to 98% जर्नी का पैसा कमाना तो बनाते हो. 98 to 100 का जो जर्नी है ना 2% दे मेक गुड मनी. दे आर इमोशनलेस. उनको कोई इमोशन ही नहीं है, नहीं फियर है, नहीं. उनका सिर्फ एक ही चीज है, वो रिस्क कंट्रोल. रिस्क हमारे हाथ में, प्रॉफिट हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. मार्केट्स विल डू व्हाट इट वांट्स टू डू. वो हमारी बात नहीं सुनता. हमारी बात तो हम नहीं सुनते. तो मार्केट क्यों सुनेगा? ये एक रियलिटी है, ये एक सच्चाई है, कड़वी सच्चाई है. जितना जल्दी समझ जाए हम उतना अच्छा है हमारे लिए.
So the key to becoming a profitable trader is risk management.
Risk management and emotionless trading.
Just follow structure.
And you have to be more right than wrong. अगर आप लॉस करते हो तो कम करोगे, प्रॉफिट कमाओगे तो ज्यादा कमाओगे. रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रेशियो यहाँ आ गया. And you have to be more right than wrong. 10 में से suppose you're doing 1:3 risk reward ratio. क्या 3 times you're right and 7 times you're wrong. If your risk reward ratio 1:3, तब भी आप पैसा कमाओगे. 1:3 रिवॉर्ड करेंगे तो 15 कमाएंगे, लॉस करेंगे तो 5 करेंगे. 7 बार भी गलत होंगे तो 35 लॉस होगा.
True. So in your
3 बार भी अगर राइट हो गए तो 45 मिलता है, फिर भी ज्यादा मिलता है. So you can survive that also as long as you have risk reward in your favor and you're more right than wrong.
So in your coaching, you focus on this aspect the most.
Emotion is everything.
Yeah.
Emotion बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. वो साइकोलॉजी को कंट्रोल करना. काफी लोग बोलते हैं मैंने 20,000 कमाया मैंने, फिर एक ही दिन में झटके में डाला गया, कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाया. अरे कंट्रोल क्यों नहीं पाया? किसने आपकी कनपट्टी पर बंदूक रखी है क्या? ट्रेड नहीं करोगे या निकलोगे नहीं या एग्जिट नहीं करोगे? आप ही नहीं निकलते हो, आप ही नहीं एग्जिट करते हो, आप ही लॉस बुक नहीं करते हो ना. किसने कनपट्टी पर बंदूक, किसने रोका तो नहीं आपको? आप क्यों नहीं करते? आप करना नहीं चाहते क्योंकि लॉस बुक नहीं करना चाहते. लॉस इज योर फ्रेंड, जस्ट स्टॉप योर लॉस. बट स्टॉप लॉस, ये अपने लॉस को स्टॉप करता है. तो आपका दोस्त है, बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, तो आप क्यों नहीं यूज करते उसको? गलत हो गए तो गलत हो गए, आउट. अगर आप समझो पूना में, हम यहां से, हमको जाना है बेंगलुरु, हम ट्रेन में बैठ जाते हैं. वो ट्रेन जा रही है मुंबई की तरफ, बेंगलुरु की तरफ नहीं जाएंगे. आप क्या बोलेंगे? नहीं बेंगलुरु जाएगी. नहीं बोलते ना. हम उतर जाते हैं, दूसरी ट्रेन लेते हैं जो कि बेंगलुरु ले जाए. दिक्कत वहां आती है. हम होप के बाद एक होगा, होप लाइफ में काम करता है 100%. अगर होप ना हो ना, जिंदगी में कोई काम ही नहीं करेगा. लेकिन स्टॉक मार्केट में होप काम नहीं करता. नेवर वर्क्स. मेरा एक रूल है, अगर आप स्टॉक मार्केट में कोई ट्रेड में हो, अगर उसमें अगर आपका होप हो, किल द ट्रेड.
इट्स द ऑपोजिट.
किल योर ट्रेड. बिकॉज होप स्टॉक मार्केट में कब करते हो आप? जब आप लॉस में, इसलिए होप करते हो. जब आप लॉस में हो तो निकलो ना बाहर.
दैट्स मोर डेंजरस. निकलो,
स्टॉप योर लॉस. लाइफ में होप काम करता है, स्टॉक मार्केट में नहीं करता. ये मेरा पर्सनल रूल है. इस पर भी एक दिन शायद किताब लिख लूंगा.
बिल्कुल लिखना चाहिए. आई थिंक इट्स नीड ऑफ द आवर. बट इन योर कोचिंग सेशंस, is there some method that you teach the students to develop this quality of becoming emotionless, following the structure, following a format?
नहीं, पैटर्न तो सिखा देता हूँ, लेकिन ये साइकोलॉजी इज वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस.
Yeah, exactly.
मैं आपको एक सिंपल देता हूँ. आप और हम रोज शेप ये करते हैं, ब्रश करते हैं. आप भी करते हैं, मैं भी करता हूँ. हम टूथपेस्ट पर ब्रश पर एक टूथपेस्ट लगा रहे हैं, देन वी मूव, आई मूव फ्रॉम हियर, देन आई मूव हियर, एंड देन आई मूव हियर. तब अब यहां से पहले करना करो, नहीं होगा. आदत से मजबूर है, क्योंकि हम पहले यहां जाते हैं तो पहले यहां जाएंगे. आप कहां से जाते हैं मुझे पता नहीं. यू मस्ट बी ब्रशिंग अ सर्टेन पार्ट ऑफ योर टीथ सर्टेन वे. ट्राई नेक्स्ट टाइम कल ही करो, दूसरी तरफ जाइए, नहीं होगा आपसे, क्योंकि हम आदत से मजबूर. ये आदत को बदलने में वक्त लगता है. इट टेक्स टाइम. हाउ लॉन्ग इट टेक्स आई डोंट नो, बट इट टेक्स टाइम टू चेंज हैबिट्स. तो एक जो कल्टीवेट करना पड़ता है गुड हैबिट्स की, दैट बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ मसल मेमोरी. एक बार वो मसल मेमोरी बन जाती है ना, देन यू आर प्लेइंग विद अ बॉल लाइक अ मैराडोना प्लेज विद हिज बॉल.
Wow.
तब आप सोचते नहीं, आप प्ले करते हैं बॉल को.
Becomes a game.
It becomes a game
smooth
for you.
game.
Absolutely. So you're playing, just reacting to it,
And also enjoying it.
enjoying it.
Not getting
You're
stressed.
playing like a Maradona. वो लेवल पर आने के लिए उसको उतना प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है. ये कंपैशन होना चाहिए, वो प्यार होना चाहिए, मोहब्बत होनी चाहिए, इश्क होना चाहिए, तब जाके वो होता है. And it has to be cultivated over a period of the habits form. अब बॉल आपके सामने क्रिकेट में इतने स्पीड से आ रहा है, आप तब थोड़ी सोचेंगे मैं इसको ऐसे मारूंगा. जस्ट प्लेइंग, यू आर रिएक्टिंग टू इट. मैं स्कीइंग करता हूँ, 50 साल से स्कीइंग करता हूँ. अभी मेरे सामने जो बर्फ है, नीचे स्नो है, मुझे पता नहीं सॉफ्ट स्नो है या हार्ड स्नो है, पत्थर है क्या नीचे, मुझे पता नहीं. आई एम जस्ट रिएक्टिंग. आई एम जस्ट रिएक्टिंग.
Giving your best shot.
I'm just reacting. I'm just reacting. मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा. हाँ, देखते हो लेफ्ट मारो, प्रेशर देता हूँ, निकल टर्न्स करके निकल जाता हूँ. तब मैं कहाँ सोचता हूँ. उस लेवल पे आने को वक्त लगता है.
Is there a timeline that you have in mind for a beginner to become a pro trader?
ऐसा
Any
कुछ टाइम
average?
नहीं. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन. मेरा एक स्टूडेंट है, एक लड़की है, उसका नाम नहीं पता मुझे, 3 months से, एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ हर. इतना पैसा
Why?
जस्ट प्राउड ऑफ हर. कल उसने मुझे एक मैसेज दिया, सर आई मेड इन लास्ट 3 days 1,20,000
From?
ट्रेडिंग.
Like, what was the capital?
कैपिटल 10 lakhs, but 1,20,000 in 3 days. कल ही मैसेज दिया. If she's watching this, she'll know who she is.
And there are many such students, I'm sure.
एक है लड़का मेरा, उसका भी मैंने शायद पॉडकास्ट है, अमित उसका, he's from Calcutta or what, I don't know. Now his sister is my student. उसने अपने बहन को भेजा, go learn from प्रकाश बाबू. तो सर आप मुझे नींद से उठा लोगे रात को, बोलोगे ट्रेड करो, मैं 50-60 हज़ार तो बना ही लूंगा.
Wow. That's confidence.
एक लड़का है, जिसका फोटोग्राफ दिमाग, जिस टाइम में he's from छत्तीसगढ़. Every year he comes, drives on 5 hours to Raipur, flight लेकर बॉम्बे आता है, comes to meet me, touches my feet, and goes back to Raipur and drives on for 5 hours छत्तीसगढ़.
Wow.
Every year. दोनों भाई आते हैं.
Almost like worshipping your
And
guru.
he's got a big photograph in his house. Janandin, he does it. He's got it.
Wow.
Why does he do that? I do not. He was a contractor, railway contractor, road contractor. उस बंद कर दिया काम.
Full time into this.
Recently, कल भी मैसेज भेजा शूट के. Full time कर.
So, which are the worst cases you have seen?
Worst case is people who lose money, they struggle.
Give me a,
People
yeah.
who actually try to forecast market. Most people forecast the market. Well, they are the worst students. मेरा ओपिनियन ये है, मेरे को लगता है मार्केट ये करेगा. अरे ये मार्केट क्यों करेगा भाई? तो अपनी बात, तुम्हारी वाइफ तुम्हारी बात मानती है नहीं, तो बेटा मानता है नहीं, तुम अपनी बात मानते हो नहीं, तो मार्केट क्यों मानेगा?
That's again emotion.
इमोशन ये बोलता है मेरा रिजिड माइंड ये होना चाहिए. क्यों होना चाहिए? मेरा ओपिनियन है. तुम्हारा ओपिनियन का वैल्यू क्या है? मेरे ओपिनियन का मेरा वैल्यू, आई हैव नो वैल्यू. I may have a feeling that it will go up. It may not go up. Market goes up when market does what it wants to do. ये मैंने पहले भी कहा, रिपीट किया. It does what it wants to. Doesn't listen to me. Market doesn't know who's Prakash Gaba. He's a nobody. मार्केट तो वही करेगा जो मार्केट को करना है. ऊपर तब जाता है जब लोग खरीदते हैं, नीचे तब जाता है जब लोग बेचते हैं. और लोग क्या करें मुझे नहीं. अगर हम उस स्टेट पर आ गए ना, then we'll start journey to profitable trading becomes there. Whether you become profitable or not, but it starts there. It may take 2 months to a year.
That depends.
That journey depends on yourself. मैं एक बहुत अच्छा पायलट हूँ, ग्लैड पायलट. मैंने 43rd लॉन्च में सोलो किया. लोग 150 से 200 से 300 लॉन्चेस देते. But I did 43 launches. Because I was a madman. I still am.
That's the best thing about you.
Yeah, that's the best thing.
Do you remember a recent example of a student or a trader? Like the worst one and the best one. Give us two.
वर्स्ट वन वही थे, मैं उनको गाली गुस्सा करता, डांटता हूँ, मैं दिल से डांटता. पर डांटूंगा नहीं तो लॉस होगा उनका. लॉस होगा तो उनका लॉस नहीं होगा, उनकी फैमिली का लॉस. इसलिए मैं डांट देता. मैं उनको बोलता हूँ, if you take, there was one student in Australia, he was 69. There was 6 months to a year back. So I called him, you're an idiot, I told him. But don't call me an idiot. I said, you are an idiot. He told me, I'm 16 and I said, I'm 73. Age is not difference. That's it. But if you do something wrong, I will tell you. If I don't point you out, you're losing money. So if you have an ego, keep aside your ego. Abhi is batch में एक student is a captain. If he's watching this, he should know it. He's on Delhi. And he please gives me instruction. I said, you are a captain. People in a ship will listen to you. Here I am the captain.
You better listen to me.
You have a sense of, I told him, you have a sense of entitlement. Keep it to yourself. If you want to learn from me, learn the way I want to teach you. What I want to teach you. If you want to learn something, go to someone else. Last week I told him. With the IISR, finally got IISR.
He surrendered.
Position hota hai कि I'm a captain, go to hell, you're a captain. Not my problem.
Ego can't work and
Nothing works.
yeah,
You have to be humble. And market tells you, thappad marta hai.
I know.
Every day by losing.
Crushes your ego completely.
Every day. It makes you, it humbles you. जब लॉस करते हैं ना तब पता पड़ता है लॉस क्या होता है. I know it. I've gone through it.
You mentioned a recent case of somebody who lost a huge capital.
7.5 crore rupees in 1 week. And a month and a half back मैंने उसका Instagram पे रील बनाया. उसका मुझे मैसेज आया, मुझे इतना गुस्सा आया. मैंने आप रील देखोगे उसमें I'm getting angry. Now 7.5 crore rupees he lost his family's money in 1 week. And that day he lost something like 1 crore. Young boy. Stupidity.
Again,
7.5 करोड़ को बनाने को टाइम कितना लगता है पता है? और 7.5 करोड़ बनाने में उस पर टैक्स कितना पड़ता है? That means he must have lost around 9 crores.
yeah.
Tax paid money. That's stupidity. He thought he was right and he was trading, but he was wrong. He didn't accept. He again traded his emotions, his view, his opinion. क्या मैं right हूँ इसलिए लॉस किया उसने. अगर एक बार रुक गया तो बोलता हो सकता है मेरी गलती हो. अगर ऐसा सोचता तो शायद ट्रेड नहीं लेता. People try to recover money, revenge trading. इससे लॉस कर जाए. Process follow नहीं कर. They don't make follow process.
Guidelines, structure.
अगर आपको नहीं आता तो जाके किसी से सीखो. हमने भी तो 10 साल में मैंने 10th स्टैंडर्ड पर 11th में गए, 12th एक केजी में किया किंडरगार्टन, फिर मेडिकेशन पास किया 12 इयर्स में. एक डॉक्टर भी 4.5 से 5 साल लगाता है आफ्टर इंटरमीडिएट. फिर एक डॉक्टर बनता है. इमीडिएटली एक सर्जरी नहीं करता.
It's a process.
Then he works as a registrar with someone, as an assistant to someone. फिर जाके इंडिपेंडेंट कभी सर्जरी करता है. सीनियर सर्जन बाद में बनता है. इट टेक्स years and years. आप ट्रेडर के एक दिन में बन जाओगे क्या? एक महीने में बन जाओगे? नॉनसेंस. नहीं बनोगे. इट्स डिफिकल्ट प्रोसेस. सिंपल है, इजी नहीं है. क्योंकि करना इजी नहीं है.
Execution.
इजी नहीं है. Otherwise it takes years and years.
And which is the best case? Now let's,
मतलब
like your student who has made very good returns, which you remember.
रिटर्न्स मैंने कभी नहीं पूछता किससे.
Or any anecdote of
I
your
like to
own
give you a
self.
few examples. There काफी हैं. There are many. This girl I told you, I'm proud of her. I'm proud of that girl. I won't reveal her name. She's from a very good family. In fact, her father told her to meet me. He said, go and meet. And so normally I don't meet people. My father asked me to meet you. I said, okay. Then I told her, you want to meet? Okay, I said, meet me next week, but this week I'm traveling. So I asked him to come to the club and asked him to come with me.
Okay, give me your best trade till date.
Day for yesterday.
What was it?
4 trades I took. 4 or 5 trades I took. One trade took 37 minutes.
Okay.
37 minutes. Normally don't wait for 37 minutes.
You said 3 minutes average.
3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes. 30 मुझे पता था इसका बाप भी नीचे आए. That kind of feeling I.
You became the lambu.
इसका बाप I shot it. It went up at वो नीचे आएगा. इसका बाप भी नीचे आए. So what I do, I take her and forget. I go to the with my wife, chat with her, fool with her, go to my kitchen, pick up some fruits, come and eat, come and see, go drink cold coffee and come. Ultimately took 37 point some extra minutes with me one. So you feel that now, Raja, iska baap bhi niche aaya.
Can you give us numbers? What? How much? Alpha? Just percentage.
Doesn't matter. Percentage don't matter. You feel that you've taken a trade, it's profitable. It should be a problem. Like I said, so I've said it, I think, आज बताया नहीं पर ऊपर जा रहा है लेकिन नीचे आएगा. नीचे आया लेकिन ऊपर जाएगा. नीचे आ रहा है लेकिन ऊपर जाने के लिए आ रहा है. तो that was trade ऊपर जा रहा है लेकिन आएगा नीचे. उसका बाप भी नीचे आएगा. That kind of ये arrogance है. मुझे बोलना नहीं चाहिए, but ये नीचे आएगा.
It's also the confidence you get, I think.
Over confidence भी हो सकता है. लेकिन ये आएगा नीचे. मार्केट डाउन नहीं ऊपर गया लेकिन नीचे आएगा. That is why it took 37 minutes. क्योंकि उस अपमूव में ताकत नहीं थी. वो मैं आपको एक इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ. मेरा एक बड़ा भाई है, जिस नेम इज सुरेश. उसके बाद एक घोड़ा था. घोड़े का नाम था तोरा. His children were in Bombay Scottish School. तो वो सुबह he should take his children to race course. राइड करते, खुद भी राइड करता था और बच्चों को बातें वक्त बॉम्बे स्कॉटिश स्कूल में छोड़कर घर आता था. डैम गुड राइड. तो बोला एक दिन हम डरबी जब गए और हम डरबी में गए. दिन हम घोड़े को ले आते हैं तो बोलते ये दे शो द हॉर्सेस बिफोर यू बेटर. मुझे पता आज ये घोड़ा जीतेगा. तो बोला कैसा बोल रहे थे सुरेश ये नहीं जीतेगा. बोलता आज इसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता. इसमें जोश है, इतना रोक नहीं सकता. रोके तो सिर्फ जॉकी रोक सकता है. यू कैन पुल दैट, रुक हरा सकता है. जीता वो घोड़ा जीतेगा. छोड़ देगा तो वाकई में उसी घोड़ा जीता. वो घोड़े की चाल उसको समझ में, क्योंकि वो गुड सवार. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. सभी लोग बाहर थे. बोला लेकिन इस सभी घोड़े में यही जीतेगा आज. इसको हराएगा तो ये जॉकी हराएगा, हरा सकता है और कोई नहीं हरा सकता. तो ही कोई
राइट. इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग.
इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग वो क्या होता है? बताइए.
Now, what's your perspective? Like, there is a controversy around it. Some people say, yeah, it's valid. It's good to do. But I want to know.
Of course, not good to do. It's totally unethical.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I just want to know.
Absolutely unethical. लेकिन
First, let's talk about what it is.
देखिए, insider trading क्या होता है? Inside information होता है, which is known to some people. That's all. वो information को हम use करते हैं to profit. उसको बोलते हैं insider trading. अभी मैं आपको सिंपल मैनेजमेंट बताता हूं. नॉर्मली काफी एनालिस्ट मैनेजमेंट से मिलते हैं, जाकर मिलकर आते हैं. क्या लगता है आपका, हम व्हाई शुड इन्वेस्ट इन योर कंपनी, फ्यूचर प्लान्स बताओ. वो बोलेगा 2 साल से हम ये करेंगे, 3 साल में हम ये करेंगे. इज दैट नॉट इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग? आप उसको बोल सकते हैं वी कैन डिस्गाइज इट, हमने गाइडलाइंस दिया है, लेकिन आपने अपना रोड मैप तो बता दिया ना. अगर उस रोड मैप को कोई यूज कर ट्रेड करता है टू बेनिफिट, दैट इज इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग. एनी इंफॉर्मेशन जो पब्लिक नॉलेज में नहीं है वो इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग है. नॉर्मली जो नोटिस जाते हैं, सेबी को जाते हैं या बीएससी में जाते हैं, एक्सचेंजेस को जाते हैं, उसके पहले आप, मुझे पता है, टेल यू आई एम अ चार्टर, मुझे पता है ये मार्केट 3 दिन से ऊपर जा रहा है. 3 दिन के बाद एक न्यूज आता है, लेकिन 3 दिन पहले किसी को न्यूज तो था ना, इसलिए तो 3 दिन पहले ऊपर गया. नहीं तो इस दिन व्हाई इज इट नॉट, न्यूज के बाद क्यों नहीं गया? किसी को तो पता था, कोई तो होगा जिसको पता है. और वो इंफॉर्मेशन को अगर कोई यूज करता है और उस पर ट्रेड करता है टू बेनिफिट आइदर अपसाइड और डाउनसाइड, इज इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग, व्हिच इज टोटली अनएथिकल. 100% इज अनएथिकल.
What about the manipulation?
दैट्स मैनिपुलेशन. मतलब थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कीजिए.
But it exists.
प्राइस मैनिपुलेशन वो इलिक्विड स्टॉक्स में होता है. देखिए, एक जमाना था 90s में, 2000 के पहले तक, जब जब ऑनलाइन नहीं था ट्रेडिंग, तब तो हम स्टॉक ब्रोकर को फोन करके ट्रेड करते थे। उस समय मैनिपुलेशन होता था इन इलिक्विड स्टॉक्स। आजकल हम बैठे हैं ऑनलाइन ट्रेडिंग है। यू आर ट्रेडिंग फ्रॉम पुणे, आई ट्रेड फ्रॉम मुंबई, कोई हैदराबाद से ट्रेड करता है, कोई चेन्नई से ट्रेड करता है, कोई दिल्ली से ट्रेड करता है, कोई सिंगापुर से करता है। हमको थोड़ी पता है कौन क्या करेगा। इस नाउ मेरे ख्याल से जो ट्रेडिंग है ना इज ब्यूटिफुली एफिशिएंट,
It's democratized.
ब्यूटिफुली एफिशिएंट, ब्यूटिफुली एफिशिएंट। आपको खाली पंच ही करना है, सिर्फ क्लिक तो करना है, और कौन है उसके पीछे हमको पता नहीं।
But do you think manipulation still exists?
होता होगा ऑफ कोर्स,
But it's gone down.
बट लेकिन आज बहुत एफिशिएंट हो गया है, प्राइस डिस्कवरी थोड़ा फास्ट हो गया है, जॉबिंग डिफरेंस कम हो गया है। तो आई थिंक इट्स ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस टू ट्रेड टुडे। आजकल 20 साल 25 साल पहले 30 साल पहले बात अलग थी। अब आई थिंक होता होगा, आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट, बट यस पॉसिबल।
And there's this term called operators.
एक जमाने पे थे ऑपरेटर्स, जो कि हम K10 बोलते थे स्टॉक्स, नाम मुझे नहीं कहते। हर्षद मेहता साइन पे कुछ स्टॉक थे जो चलते थे, वो ऑपरेटर्स ट्रेड करते थे इलिक्विड स्टॉक्स, मैनिपुलेट डिलीवरी। उस समय ऐसा होता था, अब कोई स्टॉक ले तो उसको आपको ट्रांसफर डीड मिल जाता था, सेंड कर लेते। देन यू यूज्ड टू सेंड इट टू द ट्रांसफर एजेंट टू कम। वो 15-20 दिन 25 दिन लगाता था। अगर उसको मैनिपुलेट करना है तो अपने पास होल्ड कर लेता था, वॉज नॉट सेंडिंग इट। जब आपके पास आएगा नहीं, आप बेचोगे नहीं, तो जो लिक्विडिटी था कंट्रोल हो गया। तब उसको कह सकते हैं मैनिपुलेशन, ऑपरेटर ड्रिवन। आजकल बहुत एफिशिएंट हो गया है इंट्राडे। आजकल जो डीमेट आया ना, इसने 10+1 to 10+2 डिलीवरी हो गया। ये बहुत अमेजिंग किया है। जो काम किया है ना 20-25 सालों ने रेगुलेटर्स ने, अमेजिंग काम किया, अमेजिंग। आपके अकाउंट में डीमेट में आ जाता है, आपको कौन रोकता है बेचने से? तो लिक्विडिटी इज वेरी गुड, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। आई थिंक इट्स सुपर।
So operators are still there?
होंगे, मैं तो नहीं आता, लेकिन हमको उनके हर ऑपरेटर का एक सिग्नेचर होता है। ट्रेडिंग का जो सिग्नेचर होता है वो हमको चार्ट में दिखता है। हमको पता नहीं वो कौन ऑपरेटर है, पता है, ये पता पड़ता है कि ये चार्ट जो ऑपरेट कर रहा है, ये चार्ट भी, वाई चार्ट भी वही ऑपरेटर करता है। उसका सिग्नेचर तो सेम रहेगा, जो उसका रीत होती है वो सब पता नहीं उसके पीछे कौन है, लेकिन उसका ऑपरेशन सेम दिखाई देगा आपको, वो पता पड़ जाता है ओवर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम।
Nice. Okay, so I think the trading part we've covered almost. Let's also touch upon algo trading.
Algo trading.
The AI in finance today. So I believe you have tried it, you've experimented on algo trading. Can we decode it?
ऐसा है कि algo पहले डिफाइन कर लेते हैं, algo trading है क्या?
Yes.
एल्गोरिथम से जब हम एज ए चार्टिस्ट जो मैं बात करता हूं, तो मैं नॉर्मली चार्ट को देखकर बात करता हूं। दैट इज डिस्क्रिशन ट्रेडिंग। तो मेरी भी कुछ स्ट्रेटेजीज होगी, ब्रेकआउट पर कर लो या पुल बैक पर, ये मेरी स्ट्रेटेजीज हो सकती है। इसको मैं डिस्क्रिशन मोड पे करता हूं एंड नॉर्मली ये हमारी स्ट्रेटेजीज बता देता हूं। एल्गोस में क्या हुआ है, एल्गोस को हम इसको कोड करते हैं, तो जब वो कंडीशंस सेटिस्फाई होते हैं तो ट्रेड्स ट्रिगर होते हैं। दैट इज एल्गो ट्रेडिंग। स्ट्रेटेजीज वही हो सकती है जो कि आपने कोड नहीं की, वो नॉर्मल स्ट्रेटेजी। जब ब्रेकआउट मैंने कर लिया, अज्यूमिंग फॉर अ मोमेंट, ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रेटेजी नॉर्मल ब्रेकआउट होता है, मेल से बाय और बाय। एल्गो क्या करेगा, वो आइडेंटिफाई करेगा ब्रेकआउट कोडिंग के हिसाब से एंड ट्रेड करेगा। दैट इज एल्गो ट्रेडिंग, दैट इज ब्लैक बॉक्स। कुछ होते हैं क्वांट ट्रेडर्स जो ब्लैक बॉक्स होते हैं, मशीन लर्निंग। तो आज का डेटा देखेंगे, उसके हिसाब से जो पैटर्न है, उसके हिसाब से मशीन लर्निंग के हिसाब से वो पैरामीटर्स मीट होता है, तो इल ट्रेड में उसमें वो होगा, रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रेशियो होगा 1:2 1:3, जो होगा वो होगा। दैट एल्गो ट्रेडिंग इज द फ्यूचर। हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी ट्रेडिंग इज द फ्यूचर, और होना भी चाहिए। व्हाट्स रॉन्ग इन दैट?
Yeah, because it's again HFT is in controversy.
होना चाहिए, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल, बट इट टेक्स टाइम टू कम आउट विद इट। इट टेक्स टाइम।
What's the accuracy?
एक्यूरेसी के ऊपर नहीं है। एज लॉन्ग एज एक्यूरेसी कम भी होगा और रिवॉर्ड ज्यादा होगा तो ये स्टिल फाइन है। जैसे कि मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, अगर 1:3 प्रॉफिट ट्रैक रखते हैं एंड इफ यू आर रॉन्ग 7 टाइम एंड राइट 3 टाइम, स्टिल भी पैसा बना सकते हो। तो एक्यूरेसी इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, लेकिन विन रेट रेशियो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ इज ब्यूटीफुल। लेकिन दैट्स द फ्यूचर।
And the coding also includes reading the charts and patterns.
It's always on the chart. मैं काफी एक्सपेरिमेंट करता हूँ एल्गो पे, बिल्कुल. आई हैव बीन डूइंग इट फॉर लास्ट 6 months or so.
And how far are you from?
I don't know how far it is there. There are many strategies there. I'm doing it. Yeah,
But it has worked.
it works beautifully, and that's the future, I think.
So
होना भी
right
चाहिए.
now is transitioning from manual to algo.
काफी लोग कर भी रहे हैं. काफी लोग कर भी रहे हैं. कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. Interesting. Anything else? The role of AI in finance. Do you see any other aspect of AI coming up in the financial markets?
आएगा जरूर एंड यूज भी करेंगे, लेकिन मैं नहीं करता. आई डोंट यूज AI बिकॉज AI आपको स्कैन करके बता देगा, जो आप क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे बता देगा आपको, नो डाउट अबाउट इट. मैं पर्सनली फिजिकली विजुअली देखना चाहता हूँ चार्ट्स को, एंड फॉर मी आई एम माई AI. देयर आर इंडिकेटर्स काफ़ी होते हैं मार्केट्स में, तो आप इंडिकेटर A लगाओ, B लगाओ, C लगाओ या D लगाओ, उसके हिसाब से आपको बता देगा. लेकिन आप एक जगह पे, ऐसी जगह पे आ जाते हो कि आप किसी इंडिकेटर को नहीं देखते, आप सिर्फ प्राइस को देखते हैं. इंडिकेटर भी प्राइस को देखता है और आपको बताता है. अगर आप सिर्फ प्राइस को देखो तो यू बिकम एन इंडिकेटर विच इज यूनिक टू योरसेल्फ. तो आई प्रेफर दैट.
You develop that.
तो मैं किसी इंडिकेटर्स को नहीं देखता. आई यूज जस्ट प्राइस एज अ लीडिंग इंडिकेटर, एंड इसलिए तो कहता हूँ ट्रेड व्हाट यू सी, नॉट व्हाट यू थिंक, इज लुकिंग एट द प्राइस. देन यू डोंट रिक्वायर AI also.
So you said algo is the future.
Yes.
When do you see that happening?
It's also present.
actively? Yeah, like it started, but I'm saying
It's been
actively.
there. Yeah.
Like
It's
majority.
on. It's good.
Next 2 years.
नहीं, अभी there are people who are using algo, of course.
No, I'm saying like full-fledged.
Full-fledged तो कभी नहीं होगा, because there are people who will take their own decisions.
So when you trade algo, do you need manual intervention?
Nothing, just log in the morning.
That's it.
That's it. Then it takes over, na?
But you're monitoring.
You're not monitoring also. Then at the end of the day, you see after 2 or 3 क्या लगता है. That's it. You're just monitoring. Don't even monitor. Just watching क्या हुआ, result क्या हुआ. Because trading on his own. It's trading on. It's on autopilot. Take off. Cruise altitude पे चला गया. छोड़ दो.
You can go have a drink.
Yeah.
Come back.
Yes.
Check the trade. End of the day.
Yeah. Exactly. That's how.
Wow. Sounds very wishful, but I'm sure it will happen.
It will happen.
Yeah.
It
It's
should.
already happening in
It's
a way.
happening.
Yeah. Okay. Crypto.
I don't understand.
What's
But-
crypto? What's crypto for you? What's your definition?
It's like anything. It's like TCS, Reliance, or Wipro, STL Tech, SBI. It's just one instrument, like commodities, one of the instruments. As long as the chart patterns repeat itself, it's just a buy and sell indeed. It doesn't matter what you trade. It's just one name, crypto. Ethereum होगा या Bitcoin होगा या Solana होगा. It's just a name. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर देखो, आपको अगर साइकिल चलानी आती है तो आप पुणे में भी चला सकते हैं, मुंबई में भी चला सकते हैं, इंदौर में भी चला सकते हैं, दिल्ली में भी चला सकते हैं, सुबह भी चला सकते हैं, शाम को भी चला सकते हैं. इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ आती है.
Chart
अगर नहीं आती है,
Patterns are the same everywhere. But as an instrument, like you said, what's the future of crypto?
I don't know.
Like, what's your feeling? Is it there to stay?
Today
or
we
is
are
it still
हिंदुस्तान,
grey?
इंडिया में क्रिप्टो ट्रेडिंग अलाउड नहीं है. हम क्रिप्टो के डेरिवेटिव्स को ट्रेड करते हैं. यहाँ पर जो शुरू है, क्रिप्टो के डेरिवेटिव को ट्रेड करते हैं, नॉट क्रिप्टो. क्रिप्टो इज नॉट अलाउड इन इंडिया, बट आउटसाइड इंडिया इज अलाउड. You can buy Bitcoin and sell Bitcoin. Here you can't do it. You're buying a derivative of Bitcoin, or an option or a future of Bitcoin, not buying Bitcoin by se. Trading is allowed of a derivative. उसमें कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आजकल CIU रजिस्टर्ड भी है.
So, yeah.
Yeah,
But as a currency, you think it's kind of
it's just one instrument. Like Nifty भी एक instrument ही है, derivative.
still a
of the-
grey area.
Bank Nifty is a derivative again. So it's crypto derivative चलता है. It doesn't make any difference. एक जमाना था S&P 500 का एक छोटा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आता था, E-mini. I'm talking of 2000 आता था, अभी भी है. तो उसको भी आप डेरिवेटिव ही है ना, वो ट्रेड करते हैं. इट्स अ मिनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. वैसे क्रिप्टो के भी मिनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स होते हैं. यू विल ट्रेड.
Have you tried it?
नो, आई एम नॉट अलाउड. व्हाट देखिए, मेरा एक रूल है, मैंने बनाया हुआ है. There's a line as a SEBI registered research analyst. There's a line that we don't cross. You build a reputation for 25, 26 years. You don't want a spot on that reputation. If it's not allowed, I will not do it. Full stop. Come what may, I will not do it. Crypto trading is not allowed in India. Derivatives trading on crypto is allowed. मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है क्रिप्टो सोलारा हो या इथेरियम हो या बिटकॉइन हो या निफ्टी हो या बैंक, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? मेकिंग मनी इन द मॉर्निंग, अ बेल रिंग्स टू यू, मिल्कमैन गिव्स यू मिल्क, दूध देता है, न्यूज़पेपर गिव्स यू न्यूज़पेपर गाय, वो नहीं पूछता आपसे टीसीएस से पैसा कमाया या हिंदुस्तान लीवर से कमाया, ही वांट्स मनी, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
True.
दैट्स द बॉटम लाइन.
Okay, let's talk about your lifestyle now.
बताइए ना.
As a trader.
As a trader.
We were talking on meditation and your
Yes.
wellness practices. Give us a insight on your day. How does it look like?
Around 5:36 I wake up. This morning also 5:36 I wake up. And the first thing is freshen up and meditate. Meditate पर 15-20 मिनट meditate जरूर करता हूँ, रोज करता हूँ, every day.
What's the method you follow?
I go into my office room, shut off all the lights, and I meditate. I go inside, 15-20 minutes, and I do that.
Sort of self-hypnosis?
उसको हम सेल्फ हिप्नोसिस कह सकते हैं. आजकल मेडिटेशन पहले से कहते हैं. मैंने सेल्फ हिप्नोसिस सीखा था मास्टर डॉक्टर रोशी कुमार पांडे, इज नो मोर, was an amazing sitar master he was. And I learned from him in 76. उसने मुझे एक सिखाया था सेल्फ हिप्नोसिस. एंड सेल्फ हिप्नोसिस में आई कुड डू ट्वाइस अ डे. अपने आप को जस्ट प्रोग्राम या माइंड, सी योरसेल्फ इन द फ्यूचर, क्या देखना है आपको, यू आर सीइंग योरसेल्फ सक्सेसफुल मैन. ये मैंने 76 में सीखा. जब 82-83 में मैंने शूटिंग की थी, पिस्टल शूटिंग चैंपियनशिप. आई हैव डन अराउंड 14 नेशनल चैंपियनशिप्स एंड 2 or 3 नेशनल गेम्स आई हैव डन इट. तो उस समय आई शुड यूज दिस टू सी माई सेल्फ स्टैंडिंग ऑन अ पेडेस्ट्रल, शूटिंग अ स्कोर ऑफ 10. वो करता था. आप उसको सेल्फ हिप्नोसिस कह सकते हैं या कोई कह सकते हैं उसको मेडिटेशन, मुझे पता नहीं. आजकल मेडिटेशन इज वेरी, people use the word meditation because it sounds
Become
very nice, fancy name. I still do the same thing. Sometimes I visualize myself sometimes here, somewhere here inside a meditation. And whatever I want to say to myself, I say it.
That's how you start
कह
today.
सकते हैं आजकल सर्कल ऑफ एक्सीलेंस. ये भी आप form a circle of excellence. You go into the circle and come back. This again, you're training yourself. You see yourself as a successful trader. There are visualization is one. काफी चीजें जो कर सकते हैं आप एज अ ट्रेडर, विच इज स्पेसिफिक टू ट्रेडिंग. ऑटो सजेशन स्पेसिफिक टू पुल द ट्रिगर व्हेन यू शुड बी पुलिंग द ट्रिगर, irrespective of when the stop loss is trigger or not. Take the next trade even after a loss is also an auto suggestion that you have to give. That you have to do it, keep doing it to yourself. कि अगर मेरा लॉस भी होता तो मैं नेक्स्ट ट्रेड लेता हूँ उतने कॉन्फिडेंस जितना होना चाहिए था. मेरा एग्जिट जहाँ होता है वो निकल जाता हूँ. इफ यू दिस आर ऑटो सजेशन, यू हैव टू गिव इट टू योरसेल्फ इन द स्टेट ऑफ कामनेस इन व्हेन यू आर मेडिटेटिंग योरसेल्फ. उसको आप सेल्फ हिप्नोसिस भी कह सकते हैं या मेडिटेशन भी कह सकते हैं, जो चाहिए दे दो नाम, लेकिन वो है और काम करता है. करता है.
You have affirmations that you
I do
practice?
have affirmations here.
Can you give us
Positive?
a couple?
वही कहा ना कि you take a trade even after a loss. It's one affirmation. Beautiful. I pull the trigger when I should be pulling the trigger.
So you have a list of
Yeah.
specific to trading.
Specific to trading. And sometimes you are not even, you want to do something else, you give affirmations of different kind. But then you program your mind for that. Sometimes हम stray हो जाते हैं, तो फिर वापस ले आने के लिए again you go for affirmations. Sometimes you go out of control. You come back to the affirmations again.
Do you also
Come back to the basics.
Yeah. Do you write them?
No, I don't write them. I don't write.
Just verbally.
No, verbal. अभी I'll tell you a very interesting thing. मैंने आपको बताया कि मैं बहुत गरीब था, पेरेंट्स बहुत पॉवर्टी में देखा मैंने. मुझे याद है आई वॉज मस्ट बी 10 or 11 या 12 साल की उम्र होगी, मुझे पता नहीं. एंड आई वॉज वॉकिंग ऑन द रोड. उस समय एक फिगर आ गया मेरे दिमाग में. उस समय हजारों का जमाना था, लाखों का नहीं था. वो जमाना एक फिगर आया था, सम ऑड फिगर विच आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिवील इट. कहां से आया था मुझे पता नहीं. ऐसे इतने आई विल मेक दिस मच मनी. एंड आई पास एट ईरानी का होटल ऑल्सो इन परेड. एंड मुझे कभी सोचा नहीं था कि हम गरीब में इतना सोच भी सकते हैं ऐसा. क्या मैंने उसको मैनिफेस्ट किया मुझे पता है. तो आई सेड दिस टू माय वाइफ, समटाइम्स टोल्ड माय सन कि मैं आया था कभी से, कहाँ से दिमाग में आया, लेकिन ये फिगर आया, ये फिगर आया था. इट वॉज 2 digit फिगर, ये आया था. तो around 2 or 3 or 4 years back, my son came to me, Dad, we crossed that figure. I said, I know.
You said?
I know. Did I manifest it? मुझे पता नहीं.
Where did it happen?
वो गरीबी में कौन इतना सोचता है? जब क्या आपके गाड़ी नहीं है आपके पास, फादर के पास स्कूटर है शायद, वो भी नहीं था, और आप उतना सोचते हो पैसा, कितना पैसा कमाऊंगा, तो फिर मे बी मैनिफेस्टेशन, मे बी इट्स अ ड्रीम. लाइक I met someone on this Thursday. You came to meet me. He told me, what keeps you going? So I said, unstoppable. I never give up. Then उससे मैंने बात करते करते मैं बोला कि I'm still a small boy sitting on the Gachi. Gachi is a terrace. You call it in Maharashtra. गरीब था, क्या सोचता था I'll make it big in life. So maybe it's that little insecure feeling in me that still drives me. That is why I still work for 16 to 18 hours a day.
Wow. So
तो
inspiring.
गच्ची पर बैठ के मैंने सोचा था कि इतना पैसा, मैं पैसा बनाऊंगा, I'll make it in life. तो वो इनसिक्योर फीलिंग हमको ड्राइव करती है कभी कभी. आज मुझे पैसे की जरूरत कहाँ है? सो कितना खा लेता हूँ, 150 ग्राम, 150 ग्राम, वहाँ में चले ईट. खा के क्या खा लूंगा? गाड़ी चला कौन सी जगह, 16 साल मर्सिडीज चलाएगी, आपकी जरूरत नहीं उसकी. इट्स गॉट लॉस्ट इज वैल्यू. तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? बट व्हाट कीप्स यू गोइंग? मे बी दैट इनसिक्योर फीलिंग, आई डोंट नो.
So, what is the most important aspect in life today for you?
Keep going.
Just keep working.
Keep working. I work for 16 to 18 hours a day. Keep working. If something happens to close my, just someone say close my positions. Intraday तो बंद हो जाएगी उस समय.
I think with Algo you don't even need that now.
I tell my family, पहले इसका close करो position. पहले इसका position close करो.
Fair enough. I think for a trader, of course, that's the most.
3:30 बजे बंद हो ही जाएगा ना. इंट्राडे में तो बंद कर देते 3:15 बजे. तो उसका फिक्र अभी नहीं है. They have taken care of it.
Amazing. Wow.
I'm mad, na?
I love that. I think only psychos can go to your level. If you pick the most successful people globally, they have a psycho aspect to that.
I never said I'm not.
You got to be crazy to be
I am crazy.
on top.
I admit.
Hence you're on top.
Yeah. Still want to climb.
Of course. I am following you.
Yeah.
Okay, are we ready for the rapid fire?
Sure, go ahead.
One core truth about Indian markets.
It's very efficient now. It's very efficient.
One stock market myth.
That you can make money. Losing is easier than making money.
One habit every trader needs.
Risk control, 100% all the time.
Bingo. Biggest market lesson.
You can lose. Is real. Ask me.
A stock you regret selling.
I've never seen anyone losing money by booking profit. Profit कमाए तो lose never.
Not applicable. What is one financial rule you never break?
Never?
Break.
I will say only risk control, 100%. That's the only thing that is in your hand. Profit is not in your hand.
What is that one advice for every 20-year-old who's starting his journey?
Start, learn. Keep learning all your life. Today is the first day for the rest of your life. Start journey today. It's simple, but not easy. It's tough journey.
A book that's had a lasting impact on you.
Law of Success.
Law of Success by?
My second book.
Yes, guys. This is launching soon.
Yeah.
And
hopefully on 19th of
it's
July
his
2026.
life journey. A lot of wisdom. You should definitely look for this. And it's going to be called?
I'm going to change the name. I don't know what the name is. I'm going to change. I'm not going to reveal the name.
Okay.
This is a printed copy, not published as yet. I've did it because of I booked around I want to see it, correct it somewhere. Grammar is to be correct, which is I'll do it perhaps the next week or so.
Okay, lastly,
Haan ji.
what legacy do you want to leave behind?
Improve lives.
Amazing. This was great. Did you enjoy this?
Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for having me.
Any last words for our audience?
I'll tell you, last word is very simple. Today is the first day for the rest of your life. We do not know what holds me tomorrow. I should not shy away from doing anything. आज मुझे कुछ करना है, ड्रीम है, तो मैं आज करूं. ये नहीं सोचूं कि मेरी उम्र क्या है, कर सकूंगा या नहीं करूंगा. करने की कोशिश करूं. कल हो ना हो, आज तो कर लो. जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ किया है. 2 ड्रीम्स है, शायद मैं 2 फुलफिल नहीं कर पाया. एक तो है माउंट एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप. It's a bucket list. शायद maybe next year कर लूंगा मैं if I train for it.
Amen to that.
Yeah, 1. मानसरोवर कैलाश. ये 2 ड्रीम्स है.
Wow.
मेरे को स्काई डाइविंग करना था, मैंने कर लिया. जो करना था सब किया. 2 एक ड्रीम्स है, शायद कर पाऊं या नहीं. मेरा एक दोस्त है, वेरी सीनियर ऑफिसर, एंड उसने मुझे फ्यू मंथ्स बैक पहले फोन किया था. बोला कि मैं जा रहा हूँ बेस कैंप. तो बोला, मैंने पूछा कैसे कर रहे हो? बोला ट्रेन कर रहा हूँ. Then he told me I have to run 5 kilometers in so and so minutes. I said, उदय वो तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So नहीं तो मैं उसके साथ चला गया था. Last week he sent me pictures.
Oh,
He sent me base camp में गया, photograph दिया, he sent it to me.
wow.
I'm not going to give his full name. His first name is Uday. And he sent it to me from there.
Wow.
He did it. हम दोनों ने स्काई डाइविंग साथ में किया था.
अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है मेरा. He's a young fellow, but he's a good friend of mine.
No, I mean,
He's a
the
senior officer.
journey. I think everything you do, the
You have to
passion.
live your dreams.
Yeah.
Live your
I
dreams.
mean, your
Kal ho na
passion
ho.
is very contagious.
Kal ho
I
na ho.
already feel so empowered just sitting with you and talking about everything you've done. And I'm sure the audience is enriched with this knowledge today. And many more to go.
Yeah, be honest with yourself. Be extremely honest with yourself. Extremely honest with yourself. If you love someone, say so, I love you. सीधा जाके बोल दो उसको. अगर आप उसको नहीं बोलते हो ना, तो आप उसके साथ धोखा करते हो. Be honest to yourself, to your family, to your friends. Be extremely honest. Life is too short. कल हो ना हो. Live your life every day, one day at a time. Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you very much.